Lovely. What I'm going to make now is one of my simple favorite recipes that I always do when I've got a group of friends coming over or just as a snack. It's called crumb-fried stuffed mushrooms. Add a small dollop of butter to this and some plain oil. Some nice chopped garlic to start off. Let's saute. A little bit of my chili peppers. I'm putting in my onions. I'm just going to make a nice chopped mixture of my stems, so not wasting a single bit of the mushrooms. Once the mushrooms are done, they go in. A little bit more of the butter, so some nice celery, finely chopped, that goes in for the flavor. Some thyme leaves, basil, and some dried oregano to this. A bit of toasted white sesame. And once again, we just have all this mixture coming together. So just a hint of cream, not to make a creamy paste, but just to bind it. So the entire mushrooms, onions, garlic is now all coming together. A little bit of mustard. And once this is done, I'm going to put this off. Grated cheese. And since I'm adding so much cheese, I didn't add the salt to start with, which is very important because the cheese itself is quite salty. So my stuffing is almost ready. Time for some freshly crushed pepper. So just a pinch of salt now into this. And my gorgeous stuffing is ready. We'll take a good spoonful of the stuffing and fit it tightly with the help of a spoon, just making sure that it's all even inside. Be very generous when you're stuffing it because that is where all the taste is in the stuffed mushroom. Very easy. This is done. What is next? I'm just going to break an egg, pour in a little bit of refined flour, some mustard once again, oregano, paprika, salt, cracked pepper, some Cajun seasoning, and mind you, this has got a lot of salt, so be very careful when you're seasoning this. Just beat it lightly. So we have taken some nice breadcrumbs. To this fresh breadcrumbs, a bit of the black sesame, just mix it through. Now making sure that the entire mix is coated evenly around the mushrooms. Then into this mixture, once again back here. So we are actually double coating the mushrooms. When you fry it, what has to happen is the mushroom has to cook. The heat shouldn't penetrate there, and if the heat penetrates through the stuffing, then my entire stuffing is going to come out, splurge out in the oil, and the mushrooms are going to break. Lovely. I'm just going to drop in my mushrooms. Lovely. Just rolling the mushrooms over in oil so they are nicely fried from all sides, and look at that. Isn't it tempting? Just look at it. So I'm taking it all out on absorbent paper. So if there's any extra oil that has seeped through. So the mushrooms are ready here. So just one nice hit. So nice thyme out here. So my lovely crumb-fried stuffed mushrooms are ready. Succulent in the center with cheese and mushrooms, and a nice crisp outside. Ça va bien.